practice reading and clapping quarter notes, quarter-rests, eighth notes, half notes. Remember, half notes get 2 beats, ta, and what's our new note called? 16th notes, takadimi. All right, let's go. Start to feel this beat in your body. 1, 2, ready, begin. Toddy, toddy, takadimi, toddy, 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 takadimi, ta. Toddy, toddy, takadimi, toddy, 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 takadimi, ta. Ta, ta, takadimi, toddy, half note. Ta, ta, takadimi, toddy, ta, takadimi, ta, toddy, ta. Toddy, 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 ta. Takadimi, ta, toddy, ta. Toddy, ta, toddy, ta. Ta, ta, ta. Takadimi, takadimi, ta. Ta, ta, ta. Takadimi, takadimi, ta. All right, see if you can read the next group by yourself. Ready, here you go. Toddy, takadimi, toddy, ta, ta, toddy, ta. Toddy, takadimi, toddy, ta, ta, toddy, ta. Toddy, toddy, ta, 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 ta. Toddy, toddy, ta, 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 ta. Ta, takadimi, takadimi, ta. Ta, takadimi, ta.